We stand at the cusp of a technological revolution unlike any seen before. Breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and biotechnology hold immense promise for solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. AI could revolutionize healthcare, transportation and energy, improving lives around the globe. Biotechnology offers the potential to cure diseases, enhance human capabilities, and extend lifespan. Yet these transformative technologies also present unprecedented risks. The very power that allows them to improve our lives could also be used to cause harm on a massive scale. Like a double-edged sword, AI and biotechnology demand careful consideration of their potential consequences. We must proceed with caution and foresight to ensure that these powerful tools benefit humanity, not harm it. The future is not preordained. It is a future we must actively shape, guided by wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to the well-being of all. The choices we make today will determine whether these technologies usher in an era of unprecedented progress or lead us down a path of unforeseen peril. One of the most pressing concerns associated with AI is the risk of misalignment. AI systems are designed to achieve specific goals, but what happens when those goals conflict with human values? What if an AI system, in its pursuit of efficiency, inadvertently causes harm to humans or the environment? Consider autonomous weapons systems, for example. These weapons, already being developed and deployed, can select and engage targets without human intervention. While proponents argue that they can reduce civilian casualties, critics warn of the dangers of removing human judgment from warfare. The potential for accidental escalation, unintended consequences, and the erosion of ethical boundaries is a grave concern. The development of superintelligent AI, systems far surpassing human intelligence, raises even more profound questions. How can we ensure that such systems remain aligned with human values? How can we control something potentially smarter than ourselves? These questions are not merely theoretical, they are practical challenges we must address now to ensure a safe and beneficial future for AI. Biotechnology, like AI, offers tremendous potential for good. It holds the key to curing diseases, repairing damaged tissues, and enhancing human capabilities. Yet, these same tools could also be used for malicious purposes, posing significant threats to human health and security. The CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology, for instance, allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA sequences. This groundbreaking tool has the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering cures for genetic diseases and new ways to fight cancer. However, the same technology could also be used to create designer babies, enhance human capabilities for military purposes, or even develop novel bioweapons. The 2018 case of the gene-edited babies in China serves as a stark reminder of the ethical complexities surrounding biotechnology. A scientist used CRISPR to edit the genes of twin embryos, attempting to make them resistant to HIV. This act, widely condemned by the scientific community, highlighted the urgent need for ethical guidelines and international regulations to prevent the misuse of powerful gene-editing tools. While AI and biotechnology present distinct challenges, their convergence amplifies the risks and creates new ethical dilemmas. The combination of these powerful technologies has the potential to reshape humanity and the world around us in profound and unpredictable ways. Imagine AI-powered systems designed to enhance human capabilities, blurring the lines between human and machine. Imagine AI algorithms used to design new organisms or even artificial life forms, raising fundamental questions about the nature of life itself. The convergence of AI and biotechnology presents a complex and rapidly evolving landscape of risks and opportunities. It is essential that we proactively address these challenges, fostering collaboration between scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of all. As we venture into this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we proceed with caution, foresight, and a deep sense of responsibility. The future is not something that simply happens to us. It is something we actively shape through the choices we make today. We must prioritize ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI and biotechnology. This requires establishing clear guidelines and regulations that prioritize human well-being, prevent misuse, and hold those who violate ethical norms accountable for their actions. International cooperation is essential to address the global challenges posed by these technologies. No single nation can address these issues alone. We must work together to establish global norms, share knowledge, and ensure that these technologies are used for the benefit of all humankind. The rapid pace of technological advancement can feel overwhelming. It can be tempting to succumb to fear or to blindly embrace every new innovation without considering its potential consequences. However, we must resist both of these extremes. Instead of reacting fearfully or blindly to technological change, we must adopt a proactive and measured approach. We must engage in thoughtful dialogue, informed by scientific understanding and guided by ethical principles. We must work together to create a future where AI and biotechnology are harnessed for good, improving lives and creating a more just and sustainable world. The future is not predetermined. It is a future we must actively shape, guided by wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to the well-being of all. The choices we make today will determine whether these technologies usher in an era of unprecedented progress or lead us down a path of unforeseen peril. Fostering dialogue and understanding, bridging the gap between fear and informed hope. The conversation surrounding AI and biotechnology is often polarized. On one hand, there are those who fear the unknown, envisioning dystopian futures where machines enslave humanity or bioengineered plagues devastate the planet. On the other hand, there are those who embrace every technological advancement as inherently good, dismissing concerns about potential risks as Luddism or fear-mongering. It is essential that we move beyond this polarized debate and engage in a more nuanced and informed conversation. We need to bridge the gap between fear and blind optimism, fostering a dialogue grounded in scientific understanding, ethical considerations, and a shared commitment to human well-being. This requires open communication between scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. We need to make complex scientific concepts accessible to a wider audience, demystifying these technologies and empowering people to engage in informed decision-making. Empowering humanity, harnessing technology for the benefit of all. The ultimate goal of technological advancement should be to empower humanity, not to replace or diminish it. AI and biotechnology have the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from disease and poverty to climate change and resource scarcity. However, we must ensure that these benefits are shared equitably, and that these technologies are used to uplift all of humanity, not just a select few. This requires addressing existing inequalities and biases that could be exacerbated by these technologies. We need to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a fair and unbiased manner, and that the benefits of biotechnology are accessible to all, regardless of socio-economic status or geographic location. The enduring question, defining our values in a world reshaped by AI and biotech. As AI and biotechnology continue to advance, they challenge us to confront fundamental questions about what it means to be human. What are our values? What kind of future do we want to create? These are not merely philosophical inquiries, they are practical questions with real-world implications. The answers to these questions will shape the development and deployment of these technologies. They will determine whether we use AI to automate tasks and free up human potential, or to create systems that further concentrate power and wealth. They will decide whether we use biotechnology to enhance human health and well-being, or to create a world of genetic haves and have-nots. The future of AI and biotechnology is not predetermined. It is a future we must actively shape, guided by wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to human flourishing. By embracing the potential of these technologies while mitigating the risks, we can create a future where AI and biotechnology are harnessed for good, improving lives and creating a more just and sustainable world for all. This is a future worth striving for, a future where technology empowers humanity, enhances our lives, and helps us create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. It is a future where we embrace the unknown with courage and hope, guided by a shared vision of a brighter tomorrow.